Hola, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today again we will learn 15 useful sentences in Spanish, and our topic today is shopping. And we will do this in 3 easy steps. First, I will show you the 15 sentences and also tell you what they mean. Then we will practice with my shadowing technique. So I will tell you the sentence and you will repeat what I'm saying. Okay, so you shadow me. And in our third step, we practice everything actively using Quizlet. Quizlet is a kind of flashcard trainer. Okay, so let's do this now, and let's do the first step right now, and I will tell you the 15 sentences. Here is sentence number 1. Quiero un kilo de manzanas. I would like a kilo of apples. Quiero un kilo de manzanas. ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? How much is the bread? ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? ¿Tiene tomates frescos? Do you have fresh tomatoes? ¿Tiene tomatos frescos? And here it's interesting because we have questions. And in my course for beginners, I also work with question and answers. For example, in my course for beginners, we have a question here. ¿Quién tiene un coche? So who has a car? And you see there's an image because I use images for every sentence I use. Okay? In this image you see you don't see the person, so we ask who, so ¿quién? And the background color is green because the verb tener in Spanish, to have, ends in ER, and we have this little red dot because it's irregular. So how can we answer to this question in my course? Leo tiene un coche, because we learn Spanish with the story of Leo. Okay, so here you have it. This course is also for free here on YouTube. You will find more information over here or in the description of the video. But now let's get back to our topic of shopping. Sentence number 4. Aún necesito leche y huevos. I still need milk and eggs. Aún necesito leche y huevos. ¿Dónde está la caja? Where can I find the checkout? ¿Dónde está la caja? ¿Hay alguna oferta especial hoy? Is there any special offer today? ¿Hay alguna oferta especial hoy? Perdona. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Can I pay by card? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Los plátanos son demasiados caros. The bananas are too expensive. Los plátanos son demasiado caros. Quiero 2 panecillos, por favor. I'll have 2 rolls, please. Quiero 2 panecillos, por favor. El queso sabe muy bien. The cheese tastes very good. El queso sabe muy bien. Disculpe, ¿dónde están las bebidas? Excuse me, where are the drinks? Disculpe, ¿dónde están las bebidas? ¿Tiene otra talla? Do you have a different size? ¿Tiene otra talla? Busco una chaqueta de la talla M. I'm looking for a jacket in size M. Busco una chaqueta de la talla M. ¿Puedo cambiarlo? Can I change that? ¿Puedo cambiarlo? Gracias, ya está. Thank you, that's it. Gracias, ya está. Okay. These are the 15 sentences. Now we will have our second step. Now we try to practice the sentences with my shadowing technique. Here I will say the sentence 3 times. The first time you just listen what I'm saying. The second time you speak together with me. And the third time you see my mouth moving, but I mute my audio. So you say it by yourself and try to copy me. Therefore it's called shadowing technique. So let's do this now together. Quiero un kilo de manzanas. Quiero 1 kilo de manzanas. ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? ¿Tiene tomates frescos? ¿Tiene tomates frescos? Aún necesito leche y huevos. Aún necesito leche y huevos. ¿Dónde está la caja? ¿Dónde está la caja? ¿Hay alguna oferta especial hoy? ¿Hay alguna oferta especial hoy? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Los plátanos son demasiado caros. Los plátanos son demasiado caros. Quiero 2 panecillos, por favor. Quiero 2 panecillos, por favor. El queso sabe muy bien. El queso sabe muy bien. Disculpe, ¿dónde están las bebidas? Disculpe, ¿dónde están las bebidas? ¿Tiene otra talla? ¿Tiene otra talla? Busco una chaqueta de la talla M. Busco una chaqueta de la talla M. ¿Puedo cambiarlo? ¿Puedo cambiarlo? Gracias, ya está. Gracias, ya está. Muy bien. Very good. So this is the shadowing technique. No? Every time, remember, if you need, you can repeat each step by yourself. So pause the video or just go back to start this step again. Now we will have our third step. We will practice everything actively with Quizlet. So now let's go to Quizlet. So here we are on Quizlet. Quizlet is a flashcard trainer. So I created for these 15 sentences a learning set on Quizlet. And Quizlet has a variety of options, but for now let's use the flashcard mode. So let's click here. And in options, let's make sure that the front is in English because we want to answer in Spanish and we want to track the progress. In our case, we don't need to activate the audio because I will say the sentences, but normally I highly recommend to activate the audio. So let's do it. So now we have the sentence here in English. I will give you 2 or 3 seconds so you can pause the video if you need to and think about how we say it in Spanish. Okay, so I read it, 2 or 3 seconds pause, and then I show you the answer. Okay, I would like a kilo of apples. Quiero 1 kilo de manzanas. No? And because we activated to track the progress, we can decide if we know it or we still have to learn it. No? For today, I just mark everything as known. Remember, you can repeat the video to see it again with me together. Okay, so let's go. How much is the bread? ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? Do you have fresh tomatoes? ¿Tiene tomates frescos? I still need milk and eggs. Aún necesito leche y huevos. Is there a special offer today? ¿Hay alguna oferta especial hoy? Can I pay by card? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? The bananas are too expensive. Los plátanos son demasiado caros. I'll have 2 rolls, please. Quiero 2 panecillos, por favor. The cheese tastes very good. El queso sabe muy bien. Excuse me, where are the drinks? Disculpe, ¿dónde están las bebidas? Do you have a different size? ¿Tiene otra talla? I'm looking for a jacket in size M. Busco una chaqueta de la talla M. Can I change that? ¿Puedo cambiarlo? Thank you. That's it. Gracias. Ya está. And yes. And yeah, gracias. Ya está. No, that's it. So you see here we have everything in our known box. So we know all the stuff. But obviously if you study by yourself with Quizlet, you can decide yourself if you know it. And so you put it in the still learning box or in the know box. Yeah, and these are the 15 sentences, most important sentences to go shopping, okay? I have a little present also for you over here, and in the description you will find a link to this learning set on Quizlet. And please remember, I have also a Spanish course for beginners here on YouTube, and you will find a link over here in the description as well. And I highly recommend to check it out. And that's all for today. So please like my video and subscribe to the channel, because soon I will have a new topic with new 15 sentences. And please write me in the topic and in the comments what you think about this video, and maybe you can give me some ideas for a different video. So maybe you can tell me, I like to learn 15 sentences about this topic. So thank you very much, muchas gracias y hasta pronto.